Good afternoon, students. Today we are talking about air and water pollution, that is third unit, next topic. So, if we are talking about air pollution, right now we can also listening various kind of news and that various kind of things in air that might be possible, that is spread disease, but it is how much it is true we don't know, that is about diseases and viruses right now in the environment, and also bacteria and different kind of things. So it is another aspect, but we are today discussing about air pollution. Air is one of the utmost essential factor that is making life on earth which is possible. So according to the body constitution, one human being consumes 6 to 13 cubic meter of air daily, or even more in cases of heavy physical loads. So consequently, that trace amounts of harmful substances in air also there, which actually having adverse effect on the human health. So pollutants spread rapidly and so far distances in the atmosphere. The problem of atmospheric pollution is major problem, that is global scale it is going on, and in this international summits or various kind of conferences also going on. So air cleanness is at most important, like in working environment and spatial air pollution. This is a problem because of various causes and reasons, so which would be hazardous. The sources of anthropogenic pollution of air, that is because of industrial development and different countries. You can see that is region of North America, Europe and Asia. Overall, wherever you see, that is main source of pollution is there because of agriculture or energy production, heating, industrial pollution, transportation. So you know that these are the major causes of air pollution. Other the main pollutants may be sulfur compounds if we are going chemically. So sulfur compounds, nitrogen compounds, carbon compounds, halogenated organic substances, metals, aerosols and dust, radioactive compounds, both industrial processes and heating contribution in air pollution. So these household domestic pollutants are also significantly increasing. So these are all air pollution factors. Indoor air pollution, that is main source of indoor air pollution would be kitchens, furniture, stores, paired surfaces, domestic animals, polymers. So room ventilation also affect the pollution level. Ventilation should be balanced. This fresh air should be come in, and optimum temperature in the premises should be maintained. Typical pollutants that is in living, that is pollutant, different kind of gases or chemicals, gases in NO2, CO, and different kind of sulfur dioxide and different kind of materials, that is chemical materials and their sources. So you can see there, that is these are the sources: burning of fuels, burning of timber, coal, petroleum products and different kind of paints and polymers, and molds and bacteria are also the causes of this pollutants in living organisms in the air. Now we are moving, this is all about a little bit snapshot of air pollution. Now we are moving further for water pollution, that is considered to be polluted. This is a major problem. One is water scarcity, another problem is water pollution is going on, that is point source pollution and non-point source pollution. Two classifications are given here. In the ecosystem, the quality of water day by it is decreasing. So point source pollution, if we talk about, so this is agriculture, wastewater, oil and product pipelines, pipes for draining sewage system and all. Non point this source, that is runoff in the agriculture lands, damage of land offs, surface runoffs and different kind of other sources of pollution of water, that is natural waters, that is biogenic elements, inorganic substances, organic physical factors, pesticides, surface active substances, radiation. These all things are under water pollution, that is natural water resources. So pollution of natural water with different kind of crude oils, products and persistent substances, POP, as we discussed earlier, persistent organic pollutants. So these are examples: plant protection products like DDT and different kind of chemicals. You can see here hexachlorobenzene, also their byproducts and production processes, chemical products for industrial use. Again, hexachlorobenzene is the example. So these are products which are mixing with water, and finally they are actually polluting that water, and we are consuming that water, and now you can see the chemicals going inside the body. So aquatic environment pollutants, that is nitrogen and different phosphorus compounds, nitrogen compounds, iron compounds, silicon, and different inorganic organic compounds, nutrient to come into water with atmospheric precipitation, and then runoff. Silicon compounds are also there. So next topic is eutrophication of the water. So eutrophication means larger or lesser amount of nutrients that is enter to the surface, and they provide necessary conditions for that is for growth. If the inflow of substances containing nutrient increases, their concentration in water also increases. This particular part is eutrophication is called in the water, and different visual signs and different other signs you can see, that is eutrophication, that is signs indicates their intensive process taking place in water. The main nutrients found in water, that is significantly ammonium and phosphorus and different kind of other products. So these are the visual signs. Rock and plant have periphyton and algae are on them. Fish are choking even summer and under ice in winter. So other sign is abundance of nutrient materials, and it decreases. It can be absent deeper water layers and other animal species. So these are all about air pollution and water pollution. So these things